Hi, I'm David Peterson, and I've got angst. If you're a subscriber to my YouTube channel, you may have noticed it's been a little while since I've created a new video. Well, that's because I've been up to something. I shoot most videos in my office, which has worked great, but I use that office for more than just making YouTube videos. That meant that when I was done, I'd tear down the equipment and put it away. And when I was ready to shoot another video, I'd put it all back up again. That became a huge pain when I had to do reshoots. It's been holding me back from making more videos. My lovely and patient wife, Angie, had a great idea: build a studio. I spent the last month remodeling my daughter's old bedroom. Don't worry, she had moved out a long time ago, so I didn't kick her out for this project. It took a few weeks to tear out the old carpet, sand the floor and walls, paint and install new carpet. My friend Brandon helped me put up brick paneling and hang pipe for rigging. I then got busy with decorations, lighting, and sound. Now, all of my equipment has a permanent home. With all of that said, introducing the gotAngst Studio. It's been a lot of work, but it's been totally worth the effort. And you can learn more about this project on my blog, gotangst.com. Thanks to Angie for the great idea, Cristi and Joe for their design and set ideas, and Brandon for helping me put it together. I am eternally grateful. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. I have a lot of fun videos planned. Until then, like they say, lights, camera, well, you know the rest.